In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your personal Instagram account to a professional one. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you have to do is come over to Instagram, and once you've done that, go ahead and click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then once you come to your profile, go ahead and click on Edit Profile. And then once you've done that, as you can see, there is an option there for Switch to Professional Account. Go ahead and click on that. And then once you've done that, go ahead and read through all this stuff if you want to. Go ahead and do that. It will just literally tell you what you can and can't do. So then what you're going to do is click Continue to go to the next one. And then go ahead and click on a category which your Instagram account is based around. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to select Digital Creator for now. And then what you can do is click on Display Category Label if you want to do that. So go ahead and select that if you want to. And then click Next. And then the next stage is to select whether you're a business or whether you're a creator. So if you are a YouTuber or anything like that, go ahead and click Creator, obviously. And if you are a business, go ahead and select Business. So for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and select Creator for this example. And go ahead and click on Next. And then as you can see, your creator account is now ready. Now you have more tools to connect with your followers and things like that. And you'll be able to see like in-depth analytics on Instagram. So as you can see, once your account is now a creator account, you can go ahead and you can click on promotions and you can create a new promotion. And then another one is you can get insights. So obviously insights is showing you how people are interacting with your posts, with your Instagram page and stuff like that. So it's a really useful thing if you are wanting to grow your Instagram page and be an influencer on Instagram. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video helped you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.